Hello guys, and welcome to our next and final lecture from this introductory course to Groovefunnels and how to use Groovefunnels to start your online business and to build your pages and funnels for your online business. In this final short lecture, we are going to discuss about the other services that Groovefunnels has. If you are going to log into your dashboard and go into the left side menu, you will see a section here which says Our Services. Okay, if you are going to click on the arrow, you will see the services that Groovefunnels offers, and we have the GroovePay. And why is the GroovePay service important? Because the GroovePay is actually the payment processor that we have discussed about in the other lectures of the course. The payment processor that Groovefunnels offers to its to the customers to use instead of PayPal, Stripe, and other processors. And if you are going to click on the option to open this one, the GroovePay, okay, we can click here to apply, and it will redirect us to the GroovePay page. Okay, and you have all the information here about the fees, the costs, and everything, and you can apply for creating an account. Now let me go back to the dashboard, and then we have the GrooveAds and the GrooveSolos options, which for the moment are the same thing. If you click for the GrooveSolos, you will be redirected here to this page, groovesolos.com. Basically, they are selling traffic here, okay, high quality traffic like solo ads, and obviously you would trust this source of solo ads much more than other sources, because you have Mike Filsaime behind it, you have John Cornetta behind it, so you have two very strong people behind the GrooveSolos, and basically they have partnered up with Traffic for Me to provide traffic from solo ads. Okay, and you have to create an account. You just click on Get Instant Traffic, you create an account, and then you can order the package of traffic that you need for your business. As you know, traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. So definitely, if you need the traffic, go ahead and check groovesolos.com, and it's very good also to test your online business before scaling it with other types of traffic. Okay, solo ads can be a very good source of traffic to test your offers, your products, and after that, after you see that they work, you can basically scale the business. Okay, let me go back to Groovefunnels. This is the dashboard. That was pretty much it. This is what we wanted to show you in this introductory course. Obviously, you have much more options over here, but these were the main one, and these are enough for you to get started to create pages, funnels, products, and to start building your online business with Groovefunnels. Thank you for watching, and we are hoping that you have enjoyed this course.